Hey everyone, this is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can make money online without quitting your day job. So if you are new to this channel is all about make money online, where I tell you my different tips and strategies that will help you to build a passive income online. So now coming back to the topic, having an extra income always helps. Even if you've got a day job, extra income can help you to pay your credit card bills, can pay your grocery bills, can help you with many things. You can go on vacation with those extra money. So it is always good to have some extra cash coming in along with your consistent income, which is through your day job. So in this video, I'll be giving you 3 business models which you can follow to make money online without quitting your day job. Yes, you have to put some time into it, but even if you spend like 1 hour every day and spend more hours on the weekends, you can definitely make some money. So the very first business model which I can suggest you is starting your own blog. So you must be thinking how you can make money with your blog. So the first thing which you have to decide is you need to start thinking about creating your own blog. It is very easy to set up your own blog, and you can pick up a topic of your choice, a topic which interests you. If you're passionate about a certain topic, if you've got a knowledge about a certain topic, otherwise you can pick from any of the 3 most popular niches, which is health, wealth, and relationships. You can write about these topics on your blog. So I'll suggest you to pick one category, one niche, and start writing on different topics in your blog. And how you're going to monetize it, you can put affiliate links inside your blog post. You can get many affiliate offers from ClickBank. You can get it from Amazon. Amazon has got their own affiliate program, which is Amazon Associates. You can monetize your blog with Google AdWords. So there are different ways. There are many ways with which you can monetize your own blog. If you are passionate about writing, and if you think you can write about a certain topic, just go with start your own blog and monetize it. That is the number one way. And if you see any successful people, any people who are making money online, they always have their own blog as well in the back end, which they keep on updating. And you can check out different blogs. You will see different links in those blogs, and those are the affiliate links. You can put banner ads on your blog. You can put ads in the sidebar of a blog. You can check out my blog, Passive Income Methods, and I can show you how I'm monetizing it. I'm putting different affiliate links. I'm putting sidebar banners. As you can see, this is an example of a banner which I put in. That's for ClickFunnels. And if you open any of my blog posts, you can see I'm putting in links inside my blog. Yes, you can see this is a link which takes you to One Funnel Away Challenge. That's my number 1 recommendation to make money online, is to start your own blog. Now the number 2 business model which I recommend you is to build websites and sales funnel for local businesses. Build websites or sales funnels. Yes, that's my number 2 strategy, is to build websites or sales funnel for local businesses. Well, every local business wants to get more leads, wants to get more business. They want to be popular in their area about the service which they are providing. And you can help them by creating websites for them, by creating sales funnel for them. And it is not that difficult to build websites or sales funnels. You can use tools like WordPress or ClickFunnels to create websites and sales funnels. ClickFunnels is a drag and drop sales funnel builder, and you can create opt-in pages where you can capture leads for the local businesses. You can create thank you pages, and then you can give those leads out to those local businesses. And if any local business already has a website, you can improve the design, you can add more features in it. So there is a lot you can do with local businesses. So you must be thinking, well, I don't know how to create websites or sales funnels. Well, before you get into this model, before you pick up this model, do some research. There are a lot many free guides, free tutorials. There are a lot many free videos even on my channel that will tell you how to build websites or how to create sales funnels. You don't need to be an expert before you can start providing this service. So you just need to know how to set up a blog, how to create a sales funnel, and then you can take it from there on. You can reach out to different local businesses in your area, or you can reach out to any local businesses around the world, and you can pitch for your service. So that's the number 2 business model, which I highly recommend. The number 3 business model is which is known as service arbitrage. So what exactly is service arbitrage? In this business model, you just have to act as a middleman in providing services. So if you go to a website called Fiverr.com, you can see there are different people providing different kind of services. What you could do, let's say there are services for backlinks. You can see these people are providing services for backlinks. Backlinks means adding additional links to your website so that they rank well on Google. So let's say you want to offer this service on Fiverr. Then you can just create your login on Fiverr. Just model what these guys are doing. Just see what all gigs these guys are providing. And how you're going to fulfill these orders, you need to go to a website called SEOclerks.com. And here also there are different services which are being provided for backlinks. Let's say you can search for services related to backlinks. As you can see. So the idea is you're going to you're going to provide your services on Fiverr, and you're going to fulfill it through SEO Clerk. So that model is called service arbitrage, and that is one of the most popular business model these days. And not only you can fulfill these orders from SEO Clerk, there are other websites as well, like Concur.io. Just go to Concur.io. This is also a marketplace where people provide different services. So you can fulfill these services from either SEO Clerk or Concur.io, and you can make some money out of it. So let's say you have created a gig for $50 on Fiverr, but on these websites, SEO Clerk or Concur, you're going to get these services at a very cheaper rate, let's say $5 or $10, and you're providing the services on Fiverr for $50. So you're going to get the profit. You're going to keep the profit to yourself even after paying the people who are actually doing the work. So you're basically acting as a middleman. These are the top 3 business models which you can follow if you want to make money online without quitting your day job. And you don't have to spend hours into these models. You just need to spend 1 hour every day and 3 to 4 hours on weekends, and you should be able to make some extra cash for yourself. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn more about making money online, there is a free training course on affiliate marketing which you can go through, and you will learn a lot about affiliate marketing through this course. So guys, that is all for this particular video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments down below, or you can reach out to me on Facebook or any of my social media links, and I'll be more than happy to answer you or assist you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.